Yes, so to become stronger and prevent the further problems, number one, we got to clear up this phlegm. And the coughing and phlegm, we already take the herbs for 3 times. It seems the phlegm is a little better. It's easy to cough up. Because if it's a phlegm accumulating in the lung, then it will cause more inflammation in the lung. And then the lung function will influence the heart. So that's number one. Clear up the phlegm, stop the coughing. Number two, clear up the inflammation by lowering histamine. So like cheese, go easy with the cheese, watching the salt. Anything above 100 milligrams per serving, you have to get rid of that. So the cheese have 200 milligrams, go easy with that. Cheese can induce histamine, and also crackers, all of the processed food have higher content of the salt. And nuts and seeds can induce the histamine, wine, or too much sugar. So sugar, salt, nuts and seeds, alcohol, all of this will induce more histamine, more inflammation, either in the lung or the leaking in your legs. It all increase the chances of the heart failure. So if we can control this coughing, lower the histamine, reduce the inflammation, then your heart will become stronger.
Yeah, I'm going to have to look over my diet and make some very quick changes. Thank you, Dr. Lee.
You're welcome.